To be sure that every package and tool that we install and use in Sublime Text 3 is working properly, we need a project structure to test it. So what we are going to do during this class is to see how to open folders, create projects, and open projects in Sublime Text 3 in order to have and open structures and project structures easily. So for this, of course, we need to open Sublime Text 3. At the first time, we need to open a folder containing our project, in this case, the RESTful API. Select this folder so we can see now the details of the structure of the project, and we just need to save it in the project. So go to Project, Save Project As, and we just need to specify the same location. Pull a name, and you can see how this file has been created. So now, if we close the project, we are going to be able to open it from the recent list or just open it manually locating the project Sublime file. If you have your project open and close it and open again Sublime, you can see how Sublime keeps the structure. In fact, if you have some files opened, modify.files, without save that and open others, you can close and open again, and you can see how the changes that you made are still there, and every file that you opened, you can decide to save or not. So you already know how to open folders, create projects, open and switch projects easily, and of course you can see a very good feature from Sublime Text 3 to don't lose your job in case of, for example, your computer turned off and you are not saving any kind of work. So see you in the next class.